So this is the last part of the dish. The preparation, you put the cooked pasta in, and then you just fold it all in together. And I have to tell you, in just tasting some of this sauce, it's really incredible. I mean, it's very flavorful. And then, a little bit messy, everyone, but I wanted to do it all at once. That is a bit of a messy dish, but there it is. And then the finishing touch is caviar. And I mean a finishing touch. Delicious. Some green onion. And that, somewhat messy, sorry, but that is oyster pasta with caviar.